Today is the day of the prologue. We have basically a 29 kilometers special stage. Whole stage is about 80 kilometers. Today is the day we start, and I'm tense. Prologue today was very easy. It was all a bit sandy, just a few places there were rocks. Easy to navigate because there was a lot of arrows. I believe tomorrow the pace of everyone will be a bit slower, pretty fast, but everyone is telling me that has done Dakar like last year, that for sure the next days will be much slower. I downloaded the full manual on the bike because it's good to have if anything happens, and also for me, since I don't know the bike, I'm looking how to make some adjustments, and easy to have here. Today 500 kilometers stage and over 400 kilometers special. I think it's around 90 kilometers of Lucchese this morning, so we start in the dark. We'll put on my big coat and hopefully I won't be too cold. The Dakar really starts today. Yesterday was just a bite because it was the prologue. Adrenaline you get before the start is incredible, and it's makes you feel alive. You can see my face. Today was so dusty. I started well. After 6 kilometers I already had catched the person in front. The problem was there was too much dust and I played it safe. But around like 100 kilometers I started overtaking some guys because they had made some navigation errors. Then once I was almost at neutralization at the refuel, I got tired. I let the other people go and just cruised along. And yeah, I was in the dust all day, but towards the end, I gained back some energy, some determination, and I managed to catch up. So it's fine, because I don't want to start too late, because even today the cars catched us. The plan is to continue riding like this. Today I was anxious at one point of the stage because I felt a vibration and I was like, no, come on, brand new bike, never used, but now I realize it was the tools I have here in the bash plate. Day 2, today we have the 48 hours. I'm a bit worried because it's very long stage, and yesterday was 420 kilometers. Today and tomorrow total is 1000 kilometers, and already yesterday I was so tired, so probably I'll try and start a bit slower today, not aggressive as yesterday, and just try get through the stage. Because of the tension, it's very difficult to eat, but I need to eat because yesterday, halfway through the stage, I think the loss of energy I had was because I hadn't had much for breakfast, like just a biscuit or something. I'm just devastated. Today I felt like a zombie. I couldn't ride, I couldn't Like I was going super slow, I kept on crashing. I don't know, I couldn't recognize myself, and there was no way I could go faster. Very sad with myself, because I can't figure out what has gone wrong, why my body shut off like that, and we are only at day 3. I really need to try and rest and understand also from the mental side how to get back some aggressiveness, some you know, determination. Because today I was, during the stage, I was like thinking, I don't even know if I'll make it to the finish. For me, this was the hardest stage ever of all the Dakars I've raced. Today is stage 3 after the 48-hour chrono. This is gonna be a shorter special. Today I need to be more motivated, not more concentrated, but be more aggressive, and yeah, don't let the bad thoughts get to my mind. I'm super cold because I did the 320-kilometer liaison after the stage just with my jacket, and today the stage went slightly better than yesterday, but still the last 80 kilometers my body dropped a bit, but I feel a bit better than yesterday, so this is positive. I hope this means I'm recovering. Yesterday was really hard mentally, but also today, because even though the stage was cut short, was so difficult, super rocky. Like you would be tense the whole stage. You almost never had a place to relax. We are at the start of the special. Last night I didn't even have basically almost the time to wash my face because I had a lot of stuff to do on the bike. It's freezing cold, so I have my rain suit. The problem is it's a full suit, so I'm worried I'll destroy the pants if the stage is like tomorrow and the days before. It's gonna be so long. I'll just try and cruise along. We are at the neutralization. Look at me, look at my face. I'm tired, I would just fall asleep. And I'm going really slow, just trying to get to the finish. I managed just to make it in time before night. I'm exhausted. You have no idea how good this food tastes after such a long stage like today. Now we're all here, ready to sleep in this tent in the cold. We made it to the rest day. I almost can't believe it because it's been so difficult. It's been a very emotional week for me because I went through a lot of feelings from the first days, like prologue and first stage, where I felt really well. I was like, I can do a really good Dakar. I was riding perfectly, so I was excited and happy. To then the 48-hour chrono, where at one point I thought I was gonna give up.